Your vehicle is unique and special and deserves a little extra TLC. Our custom fit seat covers are precision cut to meet your vehicle specifications and tailored for a custom fit. In this video, you will learn to make quick adjustments during your installation and use simple solutions for a stronger, secure fit. First and foremost, it's always important to pull and tighten the straps to release air pockets and eliminate any unwanted contour. We recommend tucking the remaining fabric into the vehicle crevices. For instance, you can tuck fabric under the base of the headrest and in between the molding of the seats. Here's a tip for you. Behind the front seat bottom of some cars, you will find a flap that can be easily disconnected. By doing this, you can reach the straps under the seat bottom and fasten them to the back side with hook and loop closure. Then you can hide the straps by connecting the flap back in place and fastening the backrest to the seat with the hook and loop adhesive sides. With simple adjustments like lining up the cutouts, tightening straps, and tucking in the fabric, you're sure to have a secure, snug fit.